Good morning everyone. Now we are going to discuss exercise 14.5 question number 4. Okay. So it says you have to draw a line segment of length 12.8 centimeter and then using compass only you have to divide it into 4 equal parts now. So students, as you already know how to divide a line segment into 2 equal parts, that was just by drawing its perpendicular bisector. Now to divide anything into 4 equal parts, what we need to do? We can divide it into half and then you will get 2 halves, right? Then you can divide 1 half into 2 equal halves and then again you can divide the other half into 2 equal parts and you will get 4 equal parts, right? So similarly, this is the thing we are going to do here also. We will first of all draw a line segment of length 12.8 centimeter. So this is the line segment, say this is the line segment whose length is 12.8 centimeters. So first of all we will divide it into 2 equal parts, right? So how to divide it into 2 equal parts? We can draw its axis of symmetry, line of symmetry, or you can say perpendicular bisector, right? So to draw its perpendicular bisector, we have to open our compass more than half of this line segment. So you can check, this is the compass more than half of this line segment, right? So you have to, these are the 2 endpoints, because just check, this is the full length which you need to divide into 2 equal parts. So you have to take the starting point and the ending point of that length. Okay, so just try to draw the 2 arcs, one from one end point and then from the other end point, above the line and below the line, and just check, I have not changed the length of my compass. My length of my compass is exactly same. So this is the main point, not to change the length of the compass. So just check, sometimes students, what happen, our arcs do not meet each other. Okay, so in this case what we need to do is, I will tell you. So here also it's just touching. So what can we do in this case? We can extend the other arc, right? From this point, this was the arc, so I can extend it like this. So the main thing you need to take care is what? Your length of the compass should not change while drawing the arcs. Now what we need to do? We have to draw its perpendicular bisector. So we have to join this point with this point. So here this is the first bisector. So this is what? This is the midpoint of this full line segment, right? So it means this is the first half and this is the second half of this line segment. Now to divide it into 4 equal parts, what we need to do? Now we are going to divide this first half into 2 equal parts. Now just check, the 2 endpoints of this line segment are, this is the starting point and this is the ending point of first half. So we are going to draw the arcs from these 2 points only, right? To divide this first half into 2 equal parts, these are the 2 points. Here this is the starting point of first half and this is the ending point of the first half. Okay, so now we have to divide first half into 2 equal parts. So we'll open our compass more than this length only, this much only, this much. So again you can check, now we can do like this also, we can tighten our compass a little. So you can check, by rough idea you can have, this is more than half of this half, right? So these are the 2 endpoints, this is the end point of the first half. So we have to draw 2 arcs from here, above the line segment and below the line segment. Then again we will draw 2 arcs from the other end point of this first half. Okay, now same we need to do with the second half also. Okay, so again you can check, this is also more than half of this. Now the 2 endpoints of the other halves are what? This is the starting point and here this is the ending point, right? So these are the 2 points from where you have to draw the 2 arcs now to divide this other half into 2 equal parts, right? So just check, This was the end point, so I am going to draw an arc here and below the line segment. Then this was the other half. So again check, my arcs are not cutting each other. So what I need to do, I have to extend the arc from this side, right? So this way I have extended the arc. So now we have to join the points where the two arcs were cutting each other. So this is the perpendicular bisector of this first half, and here this is the perpendicular bisector of this second half, right? So now you can see your line segment has divided into 4 equal parts. This is the first part from here till here, from here to here, here to here, here to here. You can give the name A. This is point B, C, D and E, right? Now we can measure and we will write down the lengths of AB, BC, CD and DE, and we will check whether our line segment has actually divided into 4 equal parts or not. Okay, so let's measure. So you can see this is what this is, 3.2 centimeter. AB is 3.2 centimeter. Now check, this is again BC is 3.2 centimeters. All of you will get 3.2 centimeters only. You know why? Because we have divided into 4 equal parts, and obviously when you will draw a line segment of 12.8 centimeter, 1/4 of 12.8 will be 3.2 centimeter. So all of you will get the same length, 3.2 centimeter. And if you are not getting it, means you have done something wrong. Okay. So again this is also what, 3.2 centimeter. So this is length of each part is 3.2 centimeter. So this is what we have done by verifying. This is we have verified by actual measurement. We have measured it. You can write here, on measuring we get, on measuring we get that all these parts, length of each part is 3.2 centimeter, and actually it is divided into 4 equal parts, which we have done using only compass and scale, right? So this was all about question number 4. Thank you.